video on integers. So before knowing integers, we should know about natural numbers and whole number. So all numbers which start from 1, all counting number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. All these numbers are natural numbers. And what are whole numbers? It starts from 0. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. So these are whole numbers. Now what are integers? So integers are the combination of all natural numbers, together with 0 and negatives of natural number. So all natural number, it means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 together with 0 and negative of natural number. So negative of 1 is minus 1, negative of 2 is minus 2, negative of 3 is minus 3, negative of 4 is minus 4. So all these type of numbers are known as integers. So now we can represent integers on number line. So first of all, we will draw a number line. In the center there will be 0, 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. So we know that 2 is greater than 1. We know that 3 is greater than 2. So in this way, if we are moving towards right hand side, we see that if any integer lies to the right of any integer, it is greater. So now, in the same manner, if we look towards this side, so we find 0 lies in the right hand side of minus 1. So 0 is greater than minus 1. Similarly, minus 1 lies on the right hand side of minus 2. So minus 1 is greater than minus 2. We know that 2 is greater than 1. But in the case of negative integers, minus 1 is greater than minus 2. Similarly, minus 2 lies on the right hand side of minus 3. So, minus 2 is greater than minus 3. Similarly, we can say that 0 is greater than minus 3 because 0 lies in the right hand side of minus 3. And we can also say that 0 is greater than minus 100 because minus 100 will lie on the left hand side of 0. So 0 will be greater than minus 100. So now we will perform some basic operations on integer. So the first one is addition of integers. Addition of integers. So in integers, the sign of a number is very important. So first of all, we will do the addition of integer when both the integers are positive. 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 4, 3 plus 7. So now in this case, both the integers are positive. So 1 plus 1 will be normal addition we will do. 1 plus 1 will be equal to 2. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. 3 plus 7 is equal to 10. So now we have to remember this when sign of both the integer is positive. So positive integer plus positive integer. So we will do normal addition and the sign will be positive. So when there is no sign in front of 2, it means it is plus 2. When there is no sign in front of 5, it means it is plus 5. So positive integer plus positive integer is equal to positive integer, and we will do normal addition. Now second case. So in the second case, we will see that the sign of both the integers is negative. For example, -1 plus -2, -1 plus -8, -10 plus -10, in this way. So here the sign of both the integers is negative and we have to do addition. So when sign of both the integers are negative, so first of all we will do normal addition. So 2 plus 2 will be 4. And now we will apply sign. So when both integers are negative, the sign will be negative. So here both the integers are negative, sign of integer will be negative. And now we will do normal addition. So 1 plus 2 is 3. 8 plus 1 is 9. And since both are negative, answer will be -9. -10 plus -10. Sign of both the integers is negative. So answer will be negative. We will add 10 plus 10, which is equal to -20. So when both the integers are negative, so negative plus negative will give a negative integer, and we will do normal addition. So now we will study about the third type. So now in the third type, we will add one positive and one negative integer. Suppose 3 is a positive integer and -4 is a negative integer. 4 is a positive integer and -5 is a negative integer. -7 is a negative integer and 3 is a positive integer. -10 is a negative integer and 2 is a positive integer. So in this case, one integer is negative and the other one is positive. So negative integer plus positive integer. So now in this case, what we will do, if one integer is negative and the other one is positive, we will subtract. We will subtract the numbers, and the sign of the resulting number will be the sign of the greater number. Okay. So now 3 plus -4. So now we will subtract 3 minus 4. So 3 minus 4 is equal to 1. And now sign, as 4 is greater than 3, so sign will be -1. 4 plus -5. So now first of all we will subtract. So 5 minus 4 is 1. And since 5 is greater, so sign in the answer we will apply a negative sign. Similarly, -7 plus 3. So 7 minus 3 is 4. And since 7 is greater, so we will write -4. Now, -10 plus 2. So -10 plus 2 is we will subtract. 10 minus 2 is 8. And since 10 is greater, so sign in the answer we will apply a negative sign. So in this way we can perform addition of integer. So let us now discuss more example. Minus 5 plus 3. One is negative, other one is positive. So now what we will do? We will do subtraction. So 5 minus 3 is 2. And the sign of bigger number is minus. So our answer will be minus 2. Minus 8 plus minus 8. Here the sign of both the integer is negative. So now we will do addition. So 8 plus 8 is 16 and the sign will be minus 16. Now third, minus 9 plus 4. One is negative, other one is positive. So we will do subtraction. 9 minus 4 is 5. And now 9 is greater than 4. So our answer will be minus 5 as the sign of 9 is negative. Now minus 3 plus minus 5. Here the sign of both the integer is same, which is minus. So now we will do normal addition. So 5 plus 3 is 8 and sign will be negative. Now the last one, 5 plus minus 10. So one integer is positive and the other one is negative. So we will do subtraction. So 10 minus 5 is 5 and the bigger number is 10 and sign of 10 is negative. So in our answer the sign will be minus and the answer will be minus 5. So addition of integers is very easy. So you can try these questions by yourself. The first one is minus 3 plus minus 2, minus 4 plus minus 7, minus 5 plus 2, 5 plus 2, 3 plus minus 7, minus 10 plus 20. And the last one, minus 3 plus minus 8. So you can solve it by yourself and you can write your answer in the comment section. So this is all for today. Thanks for watching.